welcome back to my channel. I'm trying something new. I'm adding the drone to my videos. You'll now be able to see different views on different areas that I go to. All right, let's see what we have here. Trail, and this is not bad. I've never been down. This is all right. That's what we're talking about here. Right on time. Go ahead. What you got? All right, now don't fall. How you doing?
I'm doing so. It's my birthday soon.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Well, you're gonna be on YouTube. When is
I actually have a YouTube channel.
You do?
It's called Erica the Fool.
What is it? What is it?
Erica the Fool. I used to be homeless, so
oh, yeah?
it's my homeless journey.
Nice.
Yeah,
that's all right.
18.
Huh?
I turn 18 next week.
Nice. That's so. What you do for your birthday?
I'm gonna have a little kickback here.
Oh yeah? When?
Sometime next week.
Oh yeah?
Probably on the weekend next week.
Okay. Erica the Fool.
Erica the Fool.
How do you spell it?
E-R-I-K-A the Fool.
Okay.
Yep.
Tracy Wash. T-R-A-C-Y.
Tracy
space Wash Entertainment. I do traveling entertainment.
Okay, can you say that out loud so that I can...
T-R-A.
Okay, wait, here. This is for my YouTube channel, so...
Yeah, how about that? So,
back.
yeah, so I'm out here with Erica the Fool.
Yeah,
so,
and you are?
And my name is Tracy Wash, T-R-A-C-Y, W-A-S-H.
Check him out on YouTube.
I'm going to check you out. Don't even worry about that. Don't forget to check me out.
I will check you out as soon as I come home.
Like, subscribe, and share.
I'll share you on my
I got you.
socials.
And I'm going to go ahead and subscribe on yours and let everybody know.
I just started it, so I only have 2 views.
Oh, yeah?
But I'm making it up. I'm making a podcast, too, so, like, my homeless journey was about, like, 2-3 months ago.
Oh, yeah? So, I'm telling you what. It's amazing to meet you out here.
I know. When I saw your smile, I was like, yeah.
You already know.
Yes, you are so blessed.
You'll see everything on my channel.
Yes,
right?
I will. I'm checking it out as soon as I get back, and that's a 10-minute drive.
I do car shows, bike shows, roller skating.
I'm trying to be
travel. What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to travel the world, but I'm trying to be a tattoo artist because I'm an artist.
Okay.
My tattoo's like right here. Here, it's lotus.
Yeah. Did you do that?
No, but I'm doing my other ones.
Okay.
To an unforgiving world because I'm so forgiving to an unforgiving world.
Nice.
But
What's up, man?
God talks through me. This is my friend Mario.
Nice to meet you, man. Mario?
Yeah.
Hey, I just got my tire fixed today at Mario's on Route 3.
Okay.
How about that? Ain't that some stuff?
Yes.
So it's nice to meet you. I'm going to check you out, and I'm going to make sure everybody else check you out.
Thank you.
Hey, if you want to travel, do everything you need to do.
I will.
And it's easy. Just watch everything I do, and I'll show you. Matter of fact, I'm going to do a video of how you can travel, how you save money, everything you need to do, take with you.
I will shout you out on all social medias. I got you. On all my social medias.
Don't worry about it. I'm on Instagram under the same name.
Okay,
don't worry about it. I got you. Hey, you all have a good day now. Be safe out here.
Your journey, okay?
Hey, you too. Do the same. Hey, I can't believe what I'm hearing.
Yeah, me too.
Have a good day now. Nice to meet you.
You made my day.
Okay guys, after showing you all these pictures and videos, I'm going to look for a place to eat, and I'll show you that next. Alright guys, I'm here in Fredericksburg, and I'm coming to this restaurant called Pimenta, a Jamaican restaurant here. This is my bike in front of the town, in front of the restaurant here. So I came here last night just to let you guys know this place was sold out, jam-packed. So I wanted to come here today. Just, you know, I couldn't get in yesterday because there were so many people here. But let's go in and have a look and see what they have here. All right. And this place is called Pimenta. This place is called Pimenta. They have all Jamaican food, or island food. It's a very nice setting, and the food is unbelievable. All right. So I wanted to let you guys see this. All right. Love. And we have another area here. So they have plenty of seating. If you want to come here with a group of people, this is the place to come to. I'm talking to the guy here at Pimenta. He's telling me how packed they were last night, how much you all missed out on coming here last night. I came here and I couldn't get in to get a plate, not one. I couldn't even get a one wing.
One wing would have been like a 2-hour wing.
There you go. What's your name, man?
Otto.
Who?
Otto.
Otto?
Otto, yeah.
Okay, good. Nice to meet you. Where you from?
Jamaica.
There you go. So you're in a Jamaican restaurant. You got the Jamaican guy right here. Here's the chickpeas, rice and beans, and curry chicken. I'm trying to tell you, this is one of the best restaurants in this area. So we're gonna taste this food and see how it is so you all can see. It's pretty good. So if you all ever come here to Fredericksburg, you got to come check this out. All right, let's see what we got through here. This looks like some dangerous stuff right here. Okay, guys, I'm finishing my journey here. This is where I was earlier in the video when I was talking to Erica, the food. And I wanted to see what was back here, just to see, because I saw one side of it, but I hadn't seen the other side. So I'm heading to the other side now. So what I'll do, because I'm adding the new addition to my channel, I'm going to fly through here. You know, guys, after talking to Erica, it just proves to all of us that anything can happen to us at any given time. You know, bad times can fall on anybody, anytime. So the reason I started this channel is to show you guys how to get out of the house and where you can go in your own area. If you don't know, go into your phone, look up events in my area or the city closest to you, or even just the surrounding area. You will find things to do. Like you see here, there's homeless people here, and it's unbelievable because I never knew that there were homeless people back here. You have some homeless people back here. This is nice. Okay, what I'm actually doing back here, I'm looking for a place where I can put the drone in the air and get a good view to show you guys what this river looks like. I'm now here at the Rappahannock River. Look at this. I'm sure there's probably some homeless people back here. They're out right now. But look at that. They even got a place here where they can cook their food. All right. That looks like they got some stairs through here. Oh, this is perfect. So put their phone over there. Here you are. Check this out. Nice. First of all, I would like to thank you guys for watching me and watching all the content that I'm showing you guys. But if you could please hit the like button. If not, hit the like and the share. You know, so I definitely appreciate it. But this gives me great pleasure just to keep putting up these videos to show you all what's going on and how to get out and do things that you want or should be doing. So once again, I appreciate you and thank you. So as you all can see how good this DJI drone works, look how clear the picture is. As you can see me standing here on these rocks, although this is a very nice area, but imagine if I was on a beach somewhere with really nice blue water, how well this is going to look on that drone. So I'm loving this. I'm up on this beach. I got a good view and a good place to stand. All right, thank you guys once again. I appreciate you sticking by watching my video. And until next time, enjoy yourself. Hit the like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.